BSF IG Rakesh Kumar Sharma today said that two Lashkar-e-Taiba cadres have been killed in retaliatory fire by the paramilitary force on Friday at the line of control in Araspura sector in Jammu. Addressing a press conference in Jammu, Sharma said that BSF is fully prepared to effectively counter the continuous ceasefire violation by Pakistan. Pakistani troops on Sunday continued to violate the ceasefire by shelling and firing upon 25 borders outposts and 19 villages along the international borders in Jammu sector throughout the night.
It is reliably also learned that two LET cadres have also been killed in the retaliatory fire by the BSF opposite RS Pura sector day before yesterday. BSF troops are well prepared and alert in all respect, and ceasefire violation by Pakistan are being effectively countered to defeat their evil designs.
The IG further informed that Pakistan has violated ceasefire at least 30 times since July 16. He said that Pakistan has deployed sniper along the international border, which is not only targeting the Indian army but they are targeting the civilians also.
16 जुलाई से अभी तक 30 बार लगभग एक महीने के अंदर 30 बार वायलेशन हो चुका है। मेजर सीज फायर वायलेशन इस दौरान आरएसपुरा सेक्टर में हुआ है। कितनी बार सर? 30 में से कम 25 बार तो उसी साइड में हुआ है। Yes, Pakistan has used the snipers in the past also. As you know, 16th of July 2014, they fired with the sniper on our men, and also targeted the civilian with the sniper. It's a great cowardice act, I would say, and they have the sniper deployed all around the IB.
He said that according to reports received by him, Pakistan army is providing backup to the Pakistan Rangers, the counterpart of border security force in Pakistan.
देखिए, हम ये पॉसिबिलिटी रूल आउट नहीं कर सकते कि पाकिस्तान आर्मी उनको पीछे बैकअप नहीं कर रही है, और पास्ट में हिस्ट्री भी रही है पाकिस्तान आर्मी पीछे हमेशा पाकिस्तान रेंजर्स को बैकअप करती है, और इसमें भी हमारे पास जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो यही है कि पाकिस्तान आर्मी उनको बैकअप कर रही है।
He said that the Home Ministry has clearly ordered the paramilitary force to reply to Pakistani's firing in a strong manner.
देखिए, ऑर्डर्स बड़े क्लियर हैं हमारे पास, और नीचे डाउन टू बीओपी लेवल का ऑर्डर बड़े क्लियर हैं, इसमें कोई एम्बिग्विटी नहीं है, और ऑर्डर बड़े क्लियर हैं। जैसी सिचुएशन बॉर्डर पे बनेगी वैसा ही जवान आगे बीओपी पे बैठे कार्रवाई करेंगे, और अगर फायर आता है तो उसका रिटेलिएशन इक्वलेंट कैलिबर के साथ और मच हायर वॉल्यूम के साथ में मुंह तोड़ दिया जाएगा।
Powered by NNIS.